Hey, welcome to Grandma Sandy's Fairy Garden Challenge. This month of April, she said you could do magical or Alice in Wonderland. Oh, well, I found an Alice in Wonderland fairy garden set. And there is my fairy garden set that I found. And I will show you the fairy garden I created with it. Isn't Alice cute? Here is my fairy. Okay, here is my Alice in Wonderland fairy garden. There's Alice. And I don't know who he is with the top hat. But I think that's a Cheshire Cat. I haven't watched Alice in Wonderland in a long time. And there's a little bunny rabbit. And there's the queen. Oh, isn't she pretty? I put trees in the back. And I did this bridge with, it even has water under the bridge. And I put the Cheshire Cat on the bridge. And I added little ladybugs and mushrooms. And the fun part is the mushrooms are all different colors. And this is our Alice in Wonderland. Look at all the detail on the different characters. Is it? Oh, and the little bunny rabbit's got a pocket watch. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look, the queen and her scepter and her little heart. She might be the Queen of Hearts. I'm not sure. She looks like a fox. But I thought it turned out pretty cute. That is my Alice in Wonderland garden. First, I put the little leaves back here. I put the bridge with some water. I put Alice, and oh, the little mousey fell over. I don't remember Alice in Wonderland. It's been a long time since I watched it. Here's a little rabbit, and he fell over a little bit too. And then you have the queen, and you have the cat, and I put the cat on the bridge. And then there's water. And I put little ladybugs and little mushrooms here and there that was in another set to make it look more realistic. And I never done a video with such small things, so I hope you can all see everything. And he fell over again. He just doesn't want to set up very well. I'll do another video, another direction, but this is overhead.